a black or something like that. Just a nice little grey. Just on there. And I'm going to go Shift D, bring it up. Now if you press 1, that is, it's a little bit too shallow for a ladder. So maybe we could go with 10. But then that's too much. So what I'm going to do is press G. Shift D to duplicate it. We'll press 5. Bit too much. Maybe we could try 4. Actually, let's go with 2. 2 looks pretty promising. Shift D. We'll go 2. Shift D. Press 2. And so for the ones going down on this side, we're going to press this one again. Shift D. And you want to go -2. Shift D. -2. Shift D again. And you're going to go -2. So now you've kind of got this ladder going on. You can also put another one on top here actually. Shift D and then we can go 2. It is outside of the barriers right here, so we can select these 2 on either side and we can go scale and we can just bring that up just ever so slightly and press G and bring that up as well. So that is a basic ladder within Blender. If you guys enjoyed the tutorial, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.